always that negative space that comes in, right? Not everybody is going to welcome you with open arms. There are trolls. There are things that make you take a step back from everything that you're doing. तो ऐसा कोई ट्रोल कभी
तो मेरे पास ना बड़ा अच्छा एक ये है ट्रोल अगर कोई करता है ना सो मेरे को बड़ा मज़ा आता है फिर
there's this switch. You are also a digital creator. You're also an entrepreneur. So do you think sometimes acting takes a backseat because of that? It affects.
I don't like to believe that because I would still give a priority to an audition or a meeting or if I have deliverables. My Punjabi movie was releasing and I knew it's not going to work. I could see it, I could foresee it. And मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं था, मुझे टाइफाइड हो गया था, बीच में मैं पड़ी हुई थी घर पे. And I was really sick and I just was like, yeah, I want to do this. And yeah, I had chopped off my hair. I was going through a phase. Oh, when I was 23, okay, when someone told me that कि अब तुम old हो गई हो, अब तुम्हें काम नहीं मिलेगा acting में या तो मैंने अपने बाल काट दिए थे इतने और फिर मेरे को extensions चाहिए थी तो बहुत महंगी थी फिर मैं कहा मैं extensions बना लेती हूँ.
But अगर कोई एक brand ambassador हो Bollywood से, if you ever want to have a brand ambassador from Bollywood,
For Nisher?
yes, who would it be and why? Namaste Darshako, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me exclusively on Pop Diaries channel. Well, कहाँ? Only on Not So Mainstream. मैं अपने गेस्ट के बारे में जितना भी बोलूँ वो कम है because she is someone who's wearing multiple hats and I say multiple hats, I mean it guys, seriously. वो actress है, वो entrepreneur है and सक्सेसफुल है बहुत ज़्यादा. वो डिजिटल क्रिएटर हैं, वो छा गई हैं सब जगह पे, सबके दिलों में छा गई हैं सबसे ज़्यादा. एंड आई थिंक इन अ वे आई हैव टू टेल यू कि वो दिल जीत रही है. शी इज़ नॉट जस्ट डूइंग क्वालिटी वर्क ऑन स्क्रीन बट इवन ऑफ स्क्रीन शी इज़ रियली मेकिंग एन इम्पैक्ट फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एज वेल. आई थिंक यू ऑलरेडी नो बट मुझे एक और हिंट देना है आप लोगों को. आई एम लिटरली ऑन cloud9 because I love color hair. And I have just been gifted by Nish hair. Yes, this hair that I'm wearing, पता नहीं लग रहा होगा because it's just blended because that is how seamless her product is and I love it. It always goes out of stock. It's because it's so loved by everyone out there. So grab yours as well. मेरे को तो मेरा मिल गया. Okay, so without further ado, let's call upon the one and only Parul Gulati.
Thank you so much. First of all, your voice is so pretty. I was just, it seemed like बस अभी गाने ही वाले हो आप. Do you sing?
Yes, I do.
Will we get to hear it?
Yes,
In
definitely.
between anywhere?
Yes, definitely.
Well, thank you so much for such
Thank
a
you.
lovely intro and
Thank
being
you.
so kind. And I love your voice. I'm a
Thank you
fan.
so much. I just have to say one thing that none of it was anything, made up. I think all of it rings through and audiences will completely, be on, on level with me on that one because they will be like, yeah, whatever she's saying is completely true. And I have to also congratulate you on the appreciation that you're getting for Silence 2 with Manoj Bajpayee. I mean,
Thank you so
with
much.
such a big star. He is a natural star when we see Manoj Bajpayee in any role and any character. And you being there, sharing screen space with him, what was it like for you?
It was really a dream come true because
Yes.
anyone who's an actor or let's say आप जिस भी एरिया में काम करते हैं उसके कुछ दिग्गज होते हैं, कुछ बड़े लोग होते हैं and
Very true.
Manoj Bajpayee is one. For all of us actors and I've always looked up to him. I've been his fan since forever. Any movie you name it. Gangs of Wasseypur से तो वो बहुत ही बड़े लेवल पे लोगों के लिए रेलेवेंट हो गए थे. But before that also Satya right? I'm not saying it wrong ना. हाँ मैं बिल्कुल
No,
मैं
no,
डर
I
रही थी
think
बोलने से पहले.
that's right.
सपने में मिलती है. That's
Yes, it's
Satya. I got scared because nowadays you say something wrong and then you'll
Yeah.
get trolled for it. Anyway, I get a little already. But what I was trying to say was I've seen his work since childhood and in order to be in the same frame as him, it was an honor.
I'm sure because the kind of essence he gives out and the aura that he carries, it's very simple, very calm. But the moment he's into that character, you don't even realize that there's a Manoj Bajpayee over there on screen.
Absolutely.
So, absolutely overwhelming. Parul, I've always been very curious to know. You started out only as an actress. You have done so much of work. OTT, YouTube series, ऐसे भी बहुत सारा काम
ऐसे भी।
and इतना experience है as an actor. But then there's this switch. You're also a digital creator. You're also an entrepreneur. So do you think sometimes acting takes a backseat because of that? It affects.
I don't like to believe that because I would still give a priority to an audition or a meeting or if I have deliverables. Like हमारे को होता है ना कि audition 3 दिन के अंदर भेज दो.
Yes.
If I was not doing my business, तो भी मैं 3 दिन के अंदर अंदर audition भेज दूंगी. Or if it is, let's say, मुझे कोई वीडियो भी शूट करके brand video needs to go live in 3 days, I'll treat it that also. I work with deadlines. You tell me this needs to be done within this day, whether it's my acting or a video that needs to go live or whatever. Once my dates are blocked, it's blocked. I'm not going to do anything else. So for me, as per मैं एक ही चीज कर रही हूँ. मैं टाइम पे काम डिलीवर कर रही हूँ, अब वो चाहे वो कुछ भी हो.
Wow. I mean, I think I need to pick this up from her because I don't even work with deadlines. I'm always away from the deadline. मतलब
Deadline. I live with
Yeah.
deadlines.
मेरा टाइम पे कभी नहीं होता कुछ भी.
मेरा
मैं जगहों
इनकम
पे भी
टैक्स
late पहुंचती हूँ.
31 मार्च को रात के 11 बजे ही जाएगा. लास्ट डे तक वर्किंग्स चलती हैं. आई एम अ लास्ट मिनट लड्डू बट आई डू. So I really don't see all three as a different thing. For me, work is work.
Absolutely.
And I chose to do these 3 things and I love it.
But right now you are also, gearing up for another release, which is again a web series, and it's called Blue Tick Verified, right? Ah, wow, oh my God, look at that.
मैंने कहा मैं कुछ तो करूँ अपनी तरफ से मेरे हिसाब से ब्लू टिक.
Wow.
So वोट दिया, सेम वे ब्लू टिक देखा is my
Wow,
Logo.
super. That's very interesting.
I know. I'm
तो जिनके पास भी
creative
Blue
at
Tick नहीं है,
times.
उन लोग वो ले सकते हैं. It's one and the same, yeah, seriously.
Yeah.
And to all the viewers out there, I have to tell you a little bit of this whole web series is about, the life of a digital creator, the cons and the pros of being in the eye of social media, which I think is very taxing. I am
Yeah.
told literally every day कि कुछ डालो और मैं डाल ही नहीं पाती. And hats off and kudos to you guys. Like, I know you do a lot of things, which is completely commendable how you manage it. मुझसे तो एक ही चीज़ नहीं manage होती. But किस तरीके से, you guys consistently put out stuff and that is so creative stuff. So that's definitely commendable.
Thank you so much.
But on that note, there is always that negative space that comes in, right? Not everybody is going to welcome you with open arms.
Yeah.
There are trolls. There are things that, make you take a step back from everything that you're doing. तो ऐसा कोई troll कभी जो आपके, it came through your way and you really were affected by it. But then you got back up, you didn't give up and you tackled it.
So मेरे पास ना बड़ा अच्छा एक ये है ट्रोल अगर कोई करता है ना सो मेरे को बड़ा मज़ा आता है. फिर जैसे मान लो संदीप के _359 ने मुझे कुछ लिख दिया मेरे उस पर और फिर वो 3-4 उस पर हम रैंडमली मेकिंग इट अप. सो मैं क्या करूँगी संदीप के _1359 पे जाऊँगी. whatever he said, like somebody said something really rude, like कि शेमिंग मी ऑल्सो सेइंग कि तुम ऐसे कपड़े पहन के पोस्ट करती हो इसलिए लाइक्स आते हैं और ऐसे ही तुम बिजनेस चला रही हो समथिंग. सो आई स्क्रॉल फाउंड a photo of him with a girl in the kind of clothes I would, and what kind of clothes, these kind of clothes, this people like to shame.
Yeah.
So मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं फिर वो उसी को शेयर करती हूँ उसके DM में, and then I'll write, मैं पूरी भड़ास निकालूंगी whatever I feel like.
Wow.
And then wait, जैसे ही वो सीन करते हैं I block them. This is what I love to do. So of course मुझे भी बुरा लगता है. मैं चाहती हूँ तुम्हें भी बुरा लगे. I'm not saying eye for an eye will make the world blind. I'm not going with that. But I'm saying, what gives you a right? You know how Richa only said कि क्या चंदू from चंडीगढ़ क्या बोल रहा है, तुम्हें क्या पड़ी है उससे. मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता, लेकिन कभी कभी अगर मैंने देख लिया just for fun, I'm not saying मैं सबके साथ ऐसा करती हूँ guys. But अगर कोई randomly मेरा मूड खराब करेगा और जिस दिन मेरे को मूड नहीं खराब करना, I'll make sure I'll go in their DM and मैं भी अपनी भड़ास निकालूंगी दिन की. वो भी बेचारा अपने दिन की भड़ास निकाल रहा है, मैं भी निकालूंगी.
Yeah,
he
if you
knows
have the
who I
liberty
am,
of
I don't know
taking
who he is.
Absolutely. If they are taking liberties with you, then you also have the right to take liberties with them.
Yeah, and that's the
Absolutely.
kind of character I play in Blue Tick also. She doesn't take shit from anybody. She's somebody who wants to become an actress, and she uses social media as a tool to become an actor and use that as a stepping stone. And it is a rise and a fall of this girl on social media, and that resonated with me because I got spotted on social media. That's how I came to Bombay.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's a tremendous journey that you've created till now. I mean, we are talking about social media, and at the apex of it, you are a digital creator who's not just a digital creator, but you've got niche hair with you. And now coming to niche hair, hypothetically, already, obviously, ek room se, you have created multiple outlets right now, everywhere for yourself. You are also in association with Nykaa and so many other places.
I'm not a Nykaa yet.
Oh, that's why I think I didn't find you over there. But मैं अगर वापस से बोल देती हूँ, I don't know if you know, but there are many other delivery places where you are there, and वहाँ पे हमेशा out of stock होता है. Yeah.
नहीं, क्योंकि नायका पे हमने शुरू किया था, फिर उसके बाद हमारा वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यू नहीं हुआ.
Okay,
So
okay.
nishhair.com is the main avenue.
So
वहाँ सब
now,
स्टॉक में होता है.
yeah, from now onwards I'll go there.
But anyway,
only
I'm
and go
calling
there.
for more for you.
Arey,
don't
that is
worry.
so sweet.
That's so sweet. It's okay.
You are very sweet. From the very start, I think the one thing that came across very vividly about you is that you're very warm and very sweet.
Because you are warm, that's how you can recognize warmth in me.
Okay.
You're very mishty.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Hmm.
So what I was saying is that niche hair right now, the growth that it is creating. Firstly, I want to know what created that foundation. What was the idea, like how it came to you? Because it's such a beautiful idea and a very unique one at in the core.
I always really think because it was just a business. I was creating something that I wanted for myself. क्योंकि मेरे को बाल नहीं मिलते थे मेरे को जब खरीदने थे, like I'm wearing it right now, so something like this didn't existed before, so you had to buy a whole set. So
Okay.
I would, if I want like a small switch,
Yeah.
so I wouldn't be able to find it anywhere.
Yeah.
So पहले I created products that I needed for myself in budget, because anything I would go to buy was very costly. 35,000 40,000 के बाल, if you
बहुत
don't
ज़्यादा.
know. Online I created and I was like कि online बनाते कोई online कर नहीं रहा है. मजाक में I made India's first online company of hair extensions. So nishhair.com is the first .com of hair extensions. And फिर जब मैं करने लगी ना, then I realized कि what values I want to have. Because देखो मैं business school तो गई नहीं हूँ. I'm an actor. I was acting 5-6 years before I started the business.
Yeah.
So तभी I just started listening to people, and I'm so used to rejection anyway as an actor. हम इतना reject होते हैं auditions पे, हर जगह पे. So it was very easy if a customer said no or if somebody said कि business अच्छा नहीं है, मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता था, because I had faith in it. I kept on doing it, and when I got connected to people जिनको बालों की ज़रूरत थी ना, they gave me ideas कि आप ग्रे रूट्स के लिए कुछ बनाइए, आप इसके लिए कुछ बनाइए, आप लेंथ के लिए बनाइए. मैंने 2 प्रोडक्ट बना दिए, which was ऐसा एक और एक बैंग्स, क्योंकि मेरे को बैंग्स चाहिए थे और मुझे क्लिप एंड एक्सटेंशन चाहिए थे. सिर्फ 2 प्रोडक्ट से आई स्टार्टेड द कंपनी. एंड
Wow.
तभी इतना था ही नहीं, बिकॉज तभी इतना था ही नहीं कि फेल भी हो सकते हैं. वो डर ही नहीं था. आज से 7-8 साल पहले व्हेन पॉप डायरीज ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड, अराउंड द सेम टाइम आई स्टार्टेड निश हेयर. सो अभी तो सब लोग कर रहे हैं, यू कैन सी. सो नाउ प्रेशर इज मोर, बट आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड इट आउट, तभी इट मस्ट बी लाइक कि करते हैं ना, दिल लगा के करते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
Absolutely.
एंड यू क्रिएटेड सच अ बिग कंपनी. सो
Kudos to you, yeah, with just 2 products. Oh my God. And no wonder where it's reached right now. But if step by step this does work out and it becomes a mega company, fingers crossed.
fingers crossed.
And it becomes worldwide famous. Would you like take a step back from acting, or will it still continue?
How would I take a step back? See, जितना मैं एक्ट करूंगी उतना तो बिजनेस और बढ़ेगा ना. आप देखो इलॉन मस्क इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना चाह रहा है. सो मैं तो ऑलरेडी एक्टर और क्रिएटर हूँ जिसके पास बिजनेस है. सो मैं वो मेन चीज़ क्यों छोड़ूंगी? इनफैक्ट डोंट यू थिंक अगर मैं एक्टिंग करती रहूँ तो मेरी रेलेवेंस और लोगों तक भी रीच ज़्यादा पहुँचेगी मेरे बिजनेस की.
Absolutely.
I could maybe in future it could be that I keep on doing acting लव ऑफ एक्टिंग तो रहेगा ही. कितने लोग अपनी जॉब्स छोड़ के एक्टिंग में आते हैं यार.
Absolutely.
मैं तो एक्टिंग के साथ एक अच्छी जॉब या जो भी है मालकिन हूँ एक बिजनेस की. आई डोंट थिंक वो तो बड़ा फूलिश डिसीजन होगा किसी के लिए भी कि जो ऑलरेडी एक्टर है वो एक्टिंग छोड़ दें. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं बहुत फेमस हूँ या बिल्कुल पहचान में नहीं आती, कहीं इन बिटवीन मेरे हिसाब से मैं हूँ. सो इनफैक्ट यहाँ से तो मैं ग्रो ही होंगी एज एन एक्टर. सो जो एक्टर की रीच होगी मैं वो भी लूंगी, जो बिजनेस की रीच होगी वो भी लूंगी, एंड बिजनेस विल बिकम इवन बिगर.
It will boom.
It'll boom.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But अगर कोई एक brand ambassador हो Bollywood से, you know, if you ever want to have a brand ambassador from Bollywood,
For Nisher,
yes, who would it be and why?
Alia, because I am a huge fan of her.
Nice
And
choice.
she has such a good connect with every kinds of audience, with young mothers also. मेरा product ऐसा है जो young mothers के लिए भी cater करता है क्योंकि postpartum hair loss is a big thing.
Yes.
And also उनका खुद का business रह चुका है. She would know the business really well. And she's the biggest superstar, most versatile actor any day, Alia.
I mean, that suffices. और भी बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं, but that kind of
Yeah.
just sums it up all. And I completely agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll be really good as a
She'll
brand
be
ambassador.
fabulous.
Yes. You talked about rejection and you know how acting taught you about rejection. But sometimes rejections are very, you know, it's not easy to deal with it because मुझे भी अगर किसी भी चीज़ के लिए कभी रिजेक्ट करे तो it takes me a little bit of time, you know. I take a step back. I need to really, you know, heal, and then I'll be able to like कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, let's go for it again and fight for it. So has there ever been a rejection which has really affected you a lot and you still kind of, you know, feel कि when you look back on it, it really pains you?
शुरू में आई वुड क्राई अ लॉट. जैसे एक एड मेरे को करनी है और किसी और को मिल गई, मेरे को नहीं मिली, फिर मैंने बाद में पोस्टर्स देखे या फिर मेरी डेट एक दो नहीं अवेलेबल हुई या मेरी मिस्टेक की वजह से मेनली आई लॉस्ट इट. कई बार क्या होता है यू से कि कंपेटिटिव करा है नहीं करा है. सो शुरू में आई स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग व्हेन आई वाज 17. ओके, तो मैं बहुत बह करके रोती थी बहुत ज़्यादा. आई वुड लेट इट आउट. फिर if you realize any actor who doesn't have a what is that word when you have nothing to fall back on, जिन्हें पता है कि घर छोड़ के आए हैं सिर्फ एक्टिंग करने हैं, सो एक टाइम के बाद ना वो इतने वो हो जाते हैं कि तो जिद है कि एक्टर बनना ही बनना है नो मैटर व्हाट, और घर वापस जाना नहीं, अब घर छोड़ के आ गए हैं. वो लोगों को व्हेन दोज एक्टर्स दे से ना उन्हें नहीं फर्क पड़ता एक पॉइंट के बाद, इतनी ना सुन लेते हैं. सो वो शुरू में ही अफेक्ट करता है. और मे बी बिकॉज लेटली आई हैव नॉट स्टम्बल्ड अपॉन सम थिंग दैट आई मे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर, और फिर वो नहीं हुआ तो वैसा होगा तो ज़रूर हार्ट ब्रेक होगा. लकीली अभी तक ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहा. बट व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर एंड आई वुड गेट रिजेक्टेड, इट वुड हर्ट मी अ लॉट.
But how do you deal with the negativity that you're always dealing with when you're on digital, and the whole piling, you know, rejection as well? How do you deal with it? Like, how do you still be positive amidst all of this chaos?
You need to remember that tomorrow is going to be a new day again. In that moment, yes, you feel terrible, you feel it's the end of the world, it happens to me. Still, if it could be anything, I'm saying whether it's my acting related or business related, it does take a toll. But in that moment, let it out, cry, feel as much as you want to feel, because as an actor, that's our job. So sometimes as actors, now we are very selfish and we are very, like, it's a very bad habit of us actors. कुछ बुरा लगता है ना, हम बहुत ज़्यादा भी feel कर लेते हैं सिर्फ उस moment के लिए कि हम उसे इस्तेमाल कर सकें कहीं पे, which is pretty sad. But I let myself feel, even if it's an anger, it's hurt, it's a heartbreak. I go through it, but then I remember tomorrow is a new day. I do remember there was one time I literally told myself, Parul, I set a timer. You have 10 minutes, cry as much as you want. After 1 hour, you have a very important something. You need to be there. So
Wow.
I give myself sometimes a little time ki go through it.
Wow, that I have more respect, seriously, because मैं पूरा दिन ले लेती हूँ.
नहीं, टाइम दे दो खुद को, पूरा दिन भी नहीं वेस्ट होना चाहिए ना.
I know, but you know वही होता है ना, this thing that tomorrow is a new day, it only
तो
happens
आज
at
रो
night.
लेते हैं.
हाँ भाई, तो मैं वो only happens at night. मैं सोने जा रही हूँ ना, I'm like कि कल तो मैं फोड़ दूंगी, देख लेना.
See, that's the spirit.
तो वो एक दिन मेरे को लगता ही है, I don't know why, but I will keep this in mind. I will try to
हाँ.
time myself more because I think that is something that I'm going to pick up from Parul because time management.
टाइम
I have
मैनेजमेंट
been-
रोने का भी
told.
टाइम है
I have been
अलार्म
told.
लगाओ 6 बजे का मुझे रोना है
I have literally been told that I need to really manage my time. I'm like
It's
all over the
okay.
place.
It's
So, yeah.
okay.
But I know you will grow with experience. So we
Yeah,
grow.
if you know you want to do it and you're acknowledging it, that means you're halfway there.
Superb. See, she's sweet. She's the only one who's giving me good advices like this. Okay, moving on.
Yes.
If you ever get to do a Bollywood movie project, who would it be with? And वो किस तरीके का movie project होगा? Because everybody has that manifestation thing ना. They always visualize something, you know, कि इस तरीके का होगा, ऐसी होगी entry, इस तरीके से करूँगी, ऐसे लोगों के साथ करूँगी. What would it be for you?
Right now, because you're talking about it, and I was watching last night your episode with Avinash,
Okay.
who I was very close to me in my cupboard, and I have a vision board. And when I saw Laila Majnu, I was like, oh, Avinash, Avinash. So I had put a cutout of me and Avinash together that I'll
Oh
do
my
a movie with
God.
him. So तब से है मेरे cupboard में. I mean, if on top of my mind, if I say, but other than that, there's a list of people I would love to work with. More than an actor, I would love कि I get to work with Alia Bhatt, an actress. I would love to I get to work with Alia Bhatt. Maybe it's a story about two sisters who are living in London and you know,
Wow.
something. They
I
fall
mean,
in love
I'm
with the
sure
same
it
guy.
will be
Dostana 3. 2 तो बनी नहीं तो 3 की script लिखते हैं.
Wow, nice. This is but vision board है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है सपने तो
Yeah.
बड़े लेने चाहिए बहुत बड़े बड़े.
Absolutely. And I completely second it. By the way, I love the fact that you chose rather than an actor. Obviously, वो तो है ही, Laila Majnu, Avinash. But the biggest dream is कि I want to work with Alia Bhatt.
Yes,
I
and
want
just
to
do a movie about two of
women-centric
us.
kind of a thing as well.
Yeah,
And that's
absolutely.
so cool.
Yeah.
And that thought process brings me to this thing. As a woman entrepreneur, I am someone who's earning myself, right? So I am also very curious to know ki how do you do a lot of investments, right? So a lot of like you have that Goa house also. It's an investment at the end of the day. You're getting returns. तो अगर रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में there's someone who's earning and she wants to be financially independent, which is very important in today's time, what advice would you give to the women entrepreneurs out there, or just people who are earning?
I'm thinking what would be, because बहुत subjective होता है हर किसी की management of money management is very different.
Yeah.
मेरा product based business है, so मैं जितना भी है मैं अपने product में invest करती रहती हूँ या उसके research में, and side by side if I feel I have excess, I do not want it to lie in my bank account. So for younger girls, I can afford a financial advice, but आपके बैंक में भी meet your branch managers. This is the most like logical advice I'll give. Meet your branch managers. They do know certain plans, not FDs or whatever. They can tell you actually about mutual funds and other things and sign you up for certain things. And if you have excess amount in your personal account, there's something called sweep account. That I learnt about recently. So जो स्वीप अकाउंट में जैसे आप डिसाइड कर लो कि 5 लाख या 5,000 के ऊपर आप चाहते हो जितना भी अमाउंट है वो स्वीप अकाउंट में जाता जाए, तो वो जाता जाता है और वो कभी भी आप निकाल सकते हो और उस पर आप परसेंटेज इंटरेस्ट गेन कर सकते हो. सो इफ यू वांट, लेट्स से थोड़े से पैसे आप रखना चाहते हो असाइड अपने पर्सनल अकाउंट से या बिजनेस अकाउंट से, बिजनेस अकाउंट में करंट अकाउंट में भी आप कर सकते हैं स्वीप अकाउंट. आई हैव अ स्वीप अकाउंट ऑल्सो. I have a financial advice also. Before I could afford a financial advice, I would ask my branch manager or my account manager कि क्या कर सकते हैं. So वो फालतू सी FD पकड़ा देंगे, but सवाल पूछो, like जवान में शाहरुख says, सवाल पूछो. Ask questions and learn about it. It is very easy to say नहीं समझ आता, मेरे से नहीं पढ़ा जाता, तो मैं उन्हें कहती हूँ teach me like I'm a 5-year-old. और फिर मैं बैठ के सीख लेती हूँ, फिर जो समझ में आता है उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर देती हूँ.
Wow, that's really sound advice. Like I could also do this.
You can do this.
Yeah, I
Market
should go
नहीं
and do
समझता मुझे. She is 19 years old. This one, little one. She understands.
Wow.
गुज्जू ना, these गुज्जूस तो बचपन से they are doing numbers.
I also have gujjus in my team.
मेरे बहुत दोस्त हैं.
I'm gonna take them only with me.
उनको बिठाओ, zero धा पे
But-
बैठो. Zero धा is easiest.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. वो निकल रहा है मेरे अंदर से अभी. I met someone like myself. Because people keep saying I laugh a lot. So I say that I love laughing a lot. So I
इतनी
smile.
प्यारी आवाज है, उसी बात पे आप कुछ सुना दो चलो.
सुना दो?
लाफ्टर इज आल्सो इतना सुरीला लाफ्टर है.
You like old songs?
यस यस यस.
Because I love old songs.
Yeah.
I sing a lot of them actually.
बर्मन साहब का ही सुना दो कुछ.
Okay.
ओके.
पता नहीं बर्मन साहब का है या नहीं, मैं भूल गई अभी.
किशोरदा का सुना दो. लता दीदी.
लता. या लता दीदी. ठीक है. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से.
लग ही जाती है तुम्हारे गले से.
Thank
What
you.
a beautiful voice you have.
Thank
इसको
you.
हटा देते हैं अभी.
Thank you so much.
Very nice voice you have. Oh my god.
Yeah, so this is what my second thing is. Like, actually, this is
Instagram
only
पे
the first
डालते हो आप
thing.
singing का?
Please don't ask me that question.
No, I'll motivate you.
Yeah, actually, I am putting now. Abhi मैं consistently. I
You
found
should, and you
people
have
and
access. You have
everything.
cameras, mics. You can make fun reels. I'll give you 2 ideas जाने से पहले.
Thank
That one friend who's always कुछ भी होता है वो गाने लग जाती है. That reel you make it for her. Be her good friend today.
Thank you so much, Parul. Like, in a way, I feel कि this is something I just want to say out of my heart. You know, I have interviewed so many people. I've talked to them. I've done so many conversations. मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने गाने बोला and everything. But मेरे को पहली बार कोई लड़की, you know, some girl, and you know, some person, an actress, someone who's already very successful, she doesn't need to do this. But for the first time, a girl, just a girl, has told me that, you know, you should do this, do that. I'm gonna support you with this. This is what you can do and everything. And it's given me so many sound advices.
Oh,
Because in this industry, it is very competitive.
it is, but at the
And-
same time,
Yeah, and you don't need such people. So I really, one thing that I would tell you from my side is always keep this. Because this makes you very unique and not so mainstream.
not so mainstream. Yay, nice plug-in.
I know. So yeah, please keep this because
Thank
this
you.
makes you as Parul Gulati. And nobody can take that away from you. So yeah.
I'm blushing
Okay.
now.
Moving on.
Moving on.
You know, as I was saying, it's a very competitive world. Social media is very competitive. So at times, there's a lot of negativity revolving around people, but there's also a lot of opinions and judgments. Abhi recently only, I was looking at this film festival that happened recently, the Cannes Film Festival. And there was a lot of judgment about social media influencers being there, creators being there, and being able to be there, where only film stars or celebrities need to be there. What do you have to say about that? Because there are two opinions. कुछ बोलते हैं कि they can be there because they are representing brands over there. But then there is also those set of people who are saying कि ये ज़रूरत नहीं है because it's a film festival and only celebrities who are in films need to be there. But you are both an actress and a digital creator. What do you have to say about this?
Can we Indian film भी जीती All We Imagine as Light by Payal Kapadia, ठीक है? But media houses chose to show the creators.
Yes.
अब वो बेचारे तो अपने दिल से गए हैं, वो भी मम्मी को बताएंगे देखो मम्मा, look मम्मा I walked the Cannes red carpet. बेचारे उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है, वो खुश हैं, उनकी फॉलोइंग है इसलिए लोग उन्हें देख रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग फिल्म की नहीं है, बट आप लोग फिल्म को फिर पॉपुलर बनाओ ना, आप देखो अच्छी फिल्में और जो उसमें
Exactly.
एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, फीमेल डायरेक्टर है. सो इफ वी एज पीपल we choose to see what we want to see. So people are choosing to see creators. तो क्या गलती है उनकी? मुझे नहीं लगता किसी की भी गलती है इसमें.
Exactly, and then they are representing brands, so it's completely okay. I mean, they are doing their job at the end.
People like them तभी वो circulate हो रही है ना उनकी photos. अगर वो
Very
नहीं
true.
liked होते, आयुष भी गया है. I think he went for the first time.
Yes.
He's
yes,
an
he
actor.
did. he
तो
did.
वो भी बड़ा खुश था कि वो गया. बस तो करिश्मा भी गई. और करिश्मा is a friend I know and I was very happy that she went.
I saw a lot of people who I actually follow, and I keep watching their stuff.
हाँ वो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया था इस बार. But the people we follow went तो हमें तो खुश होना चाहिए उनके लिए.
Exactly.
कि वो
The
भी
more
गए हैं.
people representing India is much better.
Yeah.
Hmm.
कैन के रेड कार्पेट पे.
I think there's just too much of judgment and opinion happening everywhere around right now. And I feel somehow, I don't know if you'll agree with it, but somehow this generation now is more pressurized to have an opinion for everything that they're watching. There's a lot of content that they're consuming and they are wanting to have an opinion for everything.
Is
Because it might just, you know, I have this the context is basically that they might feel कि मुझे opinion होना चाहिए इस चीज़ के बारे में, I should know about it and I should have an opinion or a judgment about it because at the end of the day that will make me look cool, that will make me look very intelligent and people will think कि हाँ चलो उसको कुछ पता है, like he has two brain cells to actually put.
I never saw it like that.
Yeah, so but I feel like that because this is the reason why everybody has so many opinions for everything. I also have an opinion, but until and unless I'm personally asked, if somebody is not, like if somebody is being happy in their own space,
अरे
why
जो
do
लिख
I
रहे
need
हैं
to
खुद
put
अगर
out?
उनकी चाचा के फूफा की बेटी भी जाएगी तो भी वो कहेंगे कि वो क्यों गई हमें जाना था. खुद जाएंगे तो नहीं डालेंगे वो फोटो कैन के उस पे.
Exactly. So if somebody is being happy at the end of the day,
लोगों को नहीं खुशी होती दूसरों की खुशी में. शायद हमें ये मान लेना चाहिए.
that is the acceptance.
तो
that we
जिसको
need
मानना
to
है कैन के रेड कार्पेट पे जाने का जाओ यार. आपको जाने का मौका मिलेगा. आपके घर वाले तो खुश होंगे ना और आप भी खुश होगे. तो why not?
Obviously, and I will wear very nice clothes and I will wear your
Yes.
extensions and I will pose. अच्छे से.
I'm happy.
I hope you get to go over there. You need to go over there.
या मैं अपनी पिक्चर के साथ गई तो बड़ा मजा आएगा. मेरी फिल्म
Yes.
इमेजिन.
Absolutely, that would be a dream come true for you.
और नहीं तो मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर ऐसे ही टिकट लेके जाऊंगी. मैं रेड कार्पेट नहीं बट मैं फिल्में देखना चाहूंगी बिकॉज आई लव वर्ल्ड सिनेमा. आई लव वाचिंग
Wow,
डिफरेंट
what is your favorite world cinema?
Um,
Like, if there is one.
So there's this one very cool movie. It's German English movie called Victoria. ये मुझे लगता है हर किसी को देखनी चाहिए.
I've heard of it.
It's one take. It's one take.
It's a one take.
So उन्होंने 3:30 बजे सुबह के लेके 6:30 बजे तक शूट किया. 3 बजे से लेके 6 बजे किया. So you see that morning time also that transition.
whole
और एक रात में क्या
wow.
हुआ है? They rehearsed it, and in third take they got the whole thing.
Wow.
And उसके अलग अलग जगह पे वो जा रहे हैं. Like there's literally a place where they're climbing the stairs also, all of them, and पीछे कैमरा है वो ऊपर जाता है. It's one of the best movies और ये मैंने मामी में देखी थी. So back in the day जब वक्त ज़्यादा होता था मुंबई फिल्म फेस्टिवल जो है उसमें जाके मैं सारी फिल्में देखने की कोशिश करती हूँ. I saw Room there for the first time. I don't know अगर किस Room देखी है आपने.
Moving on. One regret that you have in your life, I do have my own regrets, set of regrets. And personally, मैं कभी कभार ना उन regrets के बाहर निकल नहीं पाती. I can't move on from those regrets. I don't know why. It just kind of pains me a lot and keeps me bounded to them. But if you had one regret, क्योंकि सबके जिंदगी में होता है, that you can't get away from, what would that be? ऐसा कोई है regret?
शार्क टैंक पे शायद मैंने अपनी सेल्स ज़्यादा बोली होती तो मेरे को वैल्यूएशन ज़्यादा मिल जाती है. I'm just kidding.
Like seriously, because
No.
I feel that was a super viral. I was going to actually ask you why did you
मुझे
go
लगता है
because
मेरी
it was
वैल्यूएशन और
already.
हो सकती है. मजाक कर रही हूँ. I really don't know. I don't think I keep regrets. होता है तो वो immediate होता है. So I have immediate regret. जैसे मानो मैं अभी ऑफिस आई तो मैं क्रिप करती हूँ. मैं वो भूल गई. मुझे रख लेना चाहिए था. अरे मैंने ये क्यों नहीं किया. मुझे कर देना चाहिए था. But I don't hold on to it for too long because eventually I feel I'm somebody who's made of my mistakes. Every mistake I've made, everything that I've lost on, everything I've missed out on has been a learning experience for me. And I do believe in it. I know it's maybe older, I'm a little older than you. So I'll give one wise advice, which is that whatever's written for you is going to happen. So if it's written in that moment, it's not happening. Because there's genuinely, I know उस moment में लगता है कि there can't be anything better than this.
Yes.
ये तो खत्म है. Maybe not better, but ये जो हुआ है वो किसी reason की वजह से हुआ है. And I genuinely feel that everything in my life has happened so that I could be here today.
And I think you know, after doing so many episodes of Not So Mainstream as well, little by little, I'm trying to understand that whole thing because everyone has said the same thing to me. Whenever I've asked them what makes them come out of that regret or any negativity that they are facing, they always keep saying that it's just that one phase and it is the reason why you're here right now in this present moment.
Yeah.
So the most important thing is to just focus on this moment that you're living right now and
Yeah.
living it to the best. So that is something that I'm trying to inculcate within myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
I remember the lowest time I had is when I got the idea of niche hair. Lowest time of my
Seriously?
life. Yeah. It
Wow.
was my Punjabi movie was releasing and I knew it's not going to work. I could see it, I could foresee it. And मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं था, मुझे टाइफाइड हो गया था, बीच में मैं पड़ी हुई थी घर पे. And I was really sick and I just was like, yeah, I want to do this. And yeah, I had chopped off my hair. I was going through a phase. Oh, when I was 23, okay, when someone told me that कि अब तुम ओल्ड हो गई, अब तुम्हें काम नहीं मिलेगा
What?
एक्टिंग में, या तो मैंने अपने बाल काट दिए थे इतने, और फिर मेरे को एक्सटेंशंस चाहिए थी तो बहुत महंगी थी, फिर मैंने कहा मैं एक्सटेंशंस बना लेती हूँ. So see, something great came out of it.
My God. I can't even imagine the whole scenario.
So उस वक्त मैं बड़ी रोई थी, मैंने बाल काट दिए, फिर मैं रोती रही, फिर प्रमोशंस थे उसी मूवी के और मेरे को एक्सटेंशंस चाहिए थे एंड दे वर सो एक्सपेंसिव. तो मैं खुद ही बना लेती हूँ और फिर बिजनेस शुरू करती हूँ. सो हमेशा किसी बुरी चीज से कुछ अच्छा ही निकलता है.
That's a very nice way of looking at it. I mean, थोड़ा सा वो है, like kind of, you know, it was the lowest phase and you got this idea and everything. But wow, to that. I mean, बहुत लोगों का ऐसे story है कि उनके lowest phase में they got the most, you know, amazing idea that has worked for them and made them what they are today. So kudos to you, yeah, coming out of it so beautifully.
उस वक्त तो बहुत रो रही थी, उस वक्त नहीं इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. But I'm so glad that happened. I'm so glad मैंने अपने बाल काटे और मुझे लगा कि मैं एज हो रही हूँ 23 साल में. Overthink करती हैं लड़कियाँ. You can't control. Don't control anything actually.
Okay.
Go
This is
through
very
it.
good.
रोना है रो, हंसना है हंसो, regret करना है करो, उस moment में करो, but do not make it a habit.
You know, to end this whole conversation, I have a
बहुत
fun
deep हो
question for
गई ये
you.
conversation.
So, if you were the Prime Minister for a day,
Oh my God.
what would you change? That one thing.
Oh, if I could now, सबसे easy. But this will only cater to me. नहीं, actually education needs to be free and good education for anybody, and that's I think is very, very important. I know still education, but I'm saying the education system should not be, so whatever money I will get from taxes, I will make sure that money is put into building really good schools, and if everywhere education, at least primary education, can be free.
Wow.
Primary and secondary, high school maybe pay.
Hmm.
तब तक बच्चे मीन हो जाते हैं ना,
Yeah.
तो तब तक बढ़ना चाहिए. Yeah, teenagers are sorry. Oh God, teenagers also following. Guys, I love you. But maximum drama teenage में ही होता है.
That's very true.
Yeah, I'll make education free. I think that's a very big thing. If education is free and if it's good schools और वहाँ पे खाना मिले, सब अपने बच्चों को भेजें वहाँ.
Absolutely. And, you know, I have to tell you, you've got a very good sense of money, like where to put it and how to put it and how to make sure that it's circling in a very profitable way.
But
That's
वो
really
गलतियाँ
cool.
कर करके सीखा है. बहुत गलतियाँ कर करके सीखा है. So make some mistakes.
And you were talking about that Shark Tank episode, na? And I suddenly got this whole thing ki, वो episode, why did he do it? Like niche hair already was growing a lot at that time also, and you were pretty well known about niche hair and your own work and everything.
नहीं पता था. I reached every household and I did need funding.
Okay.
I mean, not money funding, but mentoring. So when I only gave out a very small percentage against a smaller amount in order to gain what I wanted, but having Amit Jain, Car Dekho Group, part of Niche Hair today, is a plus for me. मैं कहीं और
That's
venture
very true.
capitalist के पास raise करने जाती, and I also thought of it because I'll get a great exposure also over there. तो मैं डर भी रही थी कि, और मैं भूल गई थी अपने नंबर वहाँ पे, मुझे याद नहीं थे. So I don't have a very great sense of knowing numbers and money, but I still make mistakes.
But that was a super viral video. And everybody was like, "Ki, it was a really epic pitch that you made that time." Like, even in nervousness. Yeah, it was like TEDx. Only in monies. Yeah. Okay, that was me, Manjari Mukherjee, only on Not So Mainstream. Before I let you go, Parul, what do you think makes you not so mainstream? Like, puts you apart from everybody else.
Me running a business, acting, and creating content for my business and for myself. I don't know I had seen anybody when I was growing up like me.
You are the first of yourself. I don't know
Not
what
so
I just said.
mainstream.
Okay, that was me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. And do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment and click on that bell icon. And meet you next time. Bye.